Do you know how many months are there in a year? They are 12 months. So 12 months together can compose me one whole year. And each year can be divided equally into 12 months. So each month of them can be expressed as a fraction of a year, because 1 year equals 12 months. The only part will be a fraction of a year, and it can be written as 1 out of 12 parts. If we divided the one whole year into 12 equal parts, the only one part or the only 1 month of them will be as 1 over 12 of a year. So each month is a unit fraction of a year. And we know that when we convert from big to small units, we multiply, and the small to big, we will divide. And it will answer my question. This is the usual question. If I asked you 5 years equal how many months, here you will think about you are moving from year to months. I'm going from big to small, so I will multiply 5 by 12 because 1 year equal 12 months, so it will equal 60 months. But have you ever answered the question 1/3 of a year equals how many months? Did you think about the fraction of a year, not a whole years? It will be consisting of how many months? Let's use the same concepts. If you consider this one whole as a year, and I need to express it as a fraction of it, it will be 1/3, or I divide 1 year into 3 equal parts, and I will talk about this part only, or this fraction only. This is 1/3 of a year. In the same logic, I can divide the 1 year into 12 equal parts, or into 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it will be expressed as a fraction out of 12. My denominator here will be 12. 1/3 of a year. To get the equivalent fraction here, it will be how many months? Get the equivalent fraction like this, and you know that each unit fraction is a month, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 4 out of 12 months. They are 4 months out of 12 months. So that to answer how many months are there in 1/3 of a year, how many unit fraction consisting this or forming these fractions? They are 1, 2, 3, and 4. My answer will be 4 months. So if you want to answer the question 2/6 of a year equals how many months, or how many months are there in a fraction of a year, you will get an equivalent fraction to this fraction. So I will say 2/6. I will put an equivalent fraction to it with a suitable denominator. What is the suitable denominator? You know that each year is divided into 12 months. So my denominator here will be 12. Now my answer will be the number of unit fractions I have in this equivalence fraction, which is dividing each year into 12 months. So that 6 turn it to be 12, so it will be multiplied by 2. What I do down, I do up. So 2 by 2 equals what? Will be 4. It will equal 4. So my answer will be 4 months.